I'm trying to imagine a time when keeping a secret or hiding information helps public health, and right now I can't think of anything. Public health relies in large part on public being informed. My name is Rick Hodges. I'm former director of the Ohio Department of Health. I also served in the Ohio House of Representatives. I feel like I've seen the evolution of the law as it regards to HIV notification from almost the earliest days. I think the current laws exist because back when they were first enacted, it was a very different world. AIDS was considered to be a new, deadly, and pandemic disease 30, 40 years ago. But today, things have dramatically changed since those laws were first passed. It is like a chronic disease where people can live full and happy lives. There's really no reason right now to treat AIDS any different than you would treat hepatitis or tuberculosis or any other infectious disease. By treating the diseases the same way, we're treating the people the same way. This is a human issue that affects us all, regardless of which side of the aisle we're on. It's unfair to burden a certain population where we don't burden another population. And finally, I think it really, in a way, discourages people from coming to terms with their diagnosis, for seeking treatment, and for seeking help when the threat of a felony conviction is looming over them. I don't think it's good for anybody. I always say, secrets do not help me. And I think we need to encourage people to be open, seek treatment, and to live full and happy lives with their friends and families. Well, Obergefell versus Hodges, I always like to call it Obergefell and Hodges versus that other guy. I felt fairly confident that I would lose, and humanity and dignity won out. I wanted to make sure that people didn't have to wait a moment longer to enjoy the right to be married. We're all created equal. We're equal in the eyes of God and in the eyes of law, and we all need to be treated with dignity, so that no matter who you are or who you love or how you feel or what your DNA is, you're special, you're important, and the laws need to reflect that.